Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to connect MetaTrader 4 to Myfxbook. Start by creating your free Myfxbook account. Once logged in, head over to the Add Account section. Here, you'll choose the MetaTrader 4 Publisher option. This method is straightforward and secure. You'll then input your broker's name, your specific trading server, and your MetaTrader 4 account number. This initial step lays the groundwork for seamless trade tracking. Next, you'll need to download the Myfxbook Expert Advisor. You can find this essential file directly on the Myfxbook website. After downloading, open your MetaTrader 4 platform and navigate to File, then Open Data folder. Inside, locate the MQL4 folder and then the Experts folder. Simply drag and drop the downloaded EA file into this Experts folder. Once the EA is in place, restart your MetaTrader 4 platform to ensure it loads correctly. Now, open any chart in your MetaTrader 4 terminal and drag the Myfxbook Expert Advisor onto it from your navigator window. Crucially, go to the Common tab within the EA settings and check both Allow DLL Imports and Allow Live Trading. These permissions are vital for the EA to function properly. Finally, navigate to the Inputs tab of the Expert Advisor settings. Here, you'll enter the unique publisher password provided by Myfxbook for your specific account. After inputting the password, click OK to apply the settings and activate the Expert Advisor. Within a few minutes, your MetaTrader 4 account should show as connected on your Myfxbook dashboard, and your trades will begin to synchronize automatically.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.